Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you a quick video tutorial how to download the Nespresso app and how to use various features present in the app. You can download the app for iOS devices as well as for Android devices on the Google Play Store. So once you download the app, you have to sign into your Nespresso account. So once you open up the app, there are 5 tabs. The first one is obviously home, which shows the promotion for the current period. Then you can click reorder, which shows you the past order history. You can click into it, see the past history order, then reorder the same thing or modify the order. Then you can go to the order app, which you can order capsules, machines, and accessories. It's pretty self-explanatory, Then you can go to basket, which shows you the items being added to the cart. Then the account shows you pretty much the basic settings as well as the order history, store location, membership information, and so today I'll be showing the My Machine. There's a bit of... So if you have the new line of the Nespresso coffee machine such as Virtual, Pod, Virtual Next, you can download the app and you can connect to your coffee machine, which shows the basic information like the state of the machine, how to use your machine, maintenance, as well as recipe and settings. So for me, it took probably 3 to 4 attempts to get it working, because the thing I found out, you have to, when you do the pairing, you have to place the phone right on top of the coffee machine until it successfully connects to the phone. If the first attempt does not work out, then you have to delete the whole thing and start from scratch. And sometimes I found out during the pairing mode, it doesn't really get the Wi-Fi password from your phone to the coffee machine, which you have to manually enter, so keep that in mind to keep your Wi-Fi password in handy. So once you successfully connect to the coffee machine, there's actually not much you can do besides checking recipes or how to use coffee machine. Pretty sure you've already know how to anyway, and probably some kind of troubleshooting as well as descaling, and also the software update. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy your week or day, and see you next time.